Enkontru Bilateral Timor-Leste no estado do Brunei Darusalam, Liurai Haji Hassanal kompromete se apoia a preparação Timor-Leste se uma nain ba simeira ASEAN e a tinan rua nulo recém sia. Primeiro-Ministro Darusalam Gusmão, a delegação, a visita oficial ba Brunei Darusalam e a visita ne Primeiro-Ministro Darusalam Gusmão ao Encontru Bilateral Liurai Brunei Darusalam Sultan Haji Hassanal Bolkiah. Encontro ne Sultan Haji Hassanal Bolkiah congratula Timor-Leste na adesão ba ASEAN no Hili Brunei sai Timor-Leste na visita da Huluk foi na dereba organização regional. Liurai Brunei mostra hatonia compromisso a continuar apoio a Timor-Leste, liu Timor-Leste ni preparação a tu sai uma nain ba simeira ASEAN e a tinan rua rono essencia.
Prime Minister, I extend a very warm welcome to you and your delegation to Brunei Darussalam. You are a long-standing friend of Brunei, and I am delighted that you have chosen my country for your first visit following Timor-Leste's historic accession to ASEAN as its 11 members. In this regard, I offer my warmest congratulations to you, the government, and the people of Timor-Leste on this significant achievement. Brunei has consistently supported Timor-Leste's membership of ASEAN, and we will continue to offer our assistance and in whatever way we can as you embark on this important journey. This includes our full support for Timor-Leste's preparations to assume the ASEAN chairmanship in 2029. I'm pleased that our bilateral relations remain strong, underpinned by close cooperation in areas of mutual benefit. Your visit today is especially timely as we prepare to commemorate the 25th anniversary of diplomatic relations between our two countries next year. I therefore look forward to continue our cooperation to further strengthen the goodwill and friendship between our peoples and our countries.
Primeiro-Ministro Darusalam Gusmão aprecia a relação Timor-Leste no Brunei, nebe duro no apreciamos consistência Brunei ou de apoio a Timor-Leste sem membro organização regional.
Your Majesty, thank you for the warm welcome and generous hospitality extended to me and to my delegation. As you said, Your Majesty, it is an honor to be my first official visit to an ASEAN nation since Timor-Leste accession. I am honored to return to Brunei Darussalam, and I thank you, Your Majesty. I thank you for your invitation. Timor-Leste highly values its relationship with Brunei Darussalam, which has been marked by respect, friendship, and cooperation over many years. We remember with great appreciation Your Majesty's visit to Timor-Leste in 2024. This visit reflected the strength of the ties between our countries. I am delighted now to be able to visit Brunei Darussalam. Thank you, Your Majesty.
No dar membro ASEAN, Timor-Leste comprometido a tu tane as cartas ASEAN no contribui para a paz, estabilidade no prosperidade ne befahe e a região ne. No CEF governo mos reafirma mos Timor-Leste ne compromisso a tu sai uma nain e a tinan rua rono recensia. E encontro né Ministro Negócio Estrangeiro no Cooperação, Bendito Freitas, Ministro Petróleo no Recursos Minerais, no Ministra Saúde, ele dos Reis Amaral, assina acordo balon onde homólogo Sira, Husi Brunei Darusalam. Relação diplomática entre Brunei Darusalam e Timor-Leste estabelece e aloran ruanulo fulan maio tinan rihun rua Romaldo Neves, Jemen.